Hi everyone, welcome to this video tutorial guide. In this video, we'll be exploring the BuddyPress Giphy plugin. This plugin allows you to make your activity stream more tempting and interesting, attracting more members by adding animated GIFs to your BuddyPress activity posts and comments. This plugin also lets members upload GIFs within single group and profile activities, making it a fun and easy way to express themselves. Additionally, members can add GIFs to private messages, enhancing the overall interaction. To get started, simply click Try Demo. Once you've installed and activated the plugin, from the WordPress plugin section, navigate to WP Plugins and click to BuddyPress Giphy. Then click on General. Under the General settings, you'll get Giphy API key. Since all the GIFs are sourced by Giphy, you'll need to create a Giphy account and generate your API key. You can do this by the following links provided. Once you have the key, paste it into the setting page. Here, you'll also find options to enable animated GIFs inside member profile, single group activity, and private messages. Here, you can turn it on or off. The plugin also gives admin control over content rating and the option to limit the number of GIFs that load. Now let's see how it works in your activity stream. Here you can add a custom message, like I'm adding Happy New Year. Then you can choose a GIF from there, like New Year. And click on Post Update. You can also post in profile as well as in group. So that's it. So make your brand more lively, internet friendly and innovative by engaging your members with the BuddyPress Giphy plugin. We hope you enjoyed the video and find the plugin useful. Stay tuned for more updates and tutorials. Thanks for watching.